Before buying a CCTV system, you should know how to choose the right camera. In this video, I will show you the important things to check before buying CCTV.
CCTV cameras help protect homes, offices, shops, and warehouses. Choosing the correct camera will improve security and monitoring efficiency.
Quick warning. There are many types of CCTV cameras available today, including dome cameras, bullet cameras, and
First, decide whether you want an analog CCTV system. Analog cameras connect to a DVR and usually cost less, making them suitable for small projects.
IP cameras are more advanced and connect through a network to an NVR. They provide higher image quality and support smart security features.
Camera resolution determines how clear the video will be. Common options include 2 megapixels, 4 megapixels, and 8 megapixels or 4K.
dome cameras are commonly used indoors. They have a compact design and are usually installed on ceilings in offices or homes. Bullet cameras are typically installed outdoors. They are designed for longer viewing distances and easy direction adjustment.
A wide-angle lens, such as 2.8 millimeters, can cover a larger area. This is useful for monitoring rooms and open spaces.
A longer lens, such as 6 millimeters, provides a narrower view, but captures more detail at longer distances.
Night vision is another important feature. Most CCTV cameras use infrared technology to record clear video in dark environments.
For outdoor installations, choose cameras with weatherproof ratings such as IP66 or IP67 to protect against rain and dust.
CCTV recordings are stored on a DVR or NVR with a hard drive. Higher resolution cameras will require more storage capacity.
Modern CCTV systems allow remote monitoring through mobile apps. This lets you check your cameras anytime and anywhere.
Some cameras also include smart features such as motion detection, human detection, and facial recognition.
Proper installation is important for the best results. The camera angle and cable quality will affect the overall performance.
Large buildings often use security control rooms to monitor multiple cameras and manage surveillance systems efficiently.
Now you know how to choose the right CCTV camera before buying. Subscribe to Hansen channel for more ELV system knowledge and security tips.